Hi guys, this will be the complete coverage of the game console known as Retro Urban Game Console that has been designed on GR Sakura Board, and we are using a custom made LED matrix, a LCD display, a speaker and a handheld console having push button switches on it for user input. So you can see at the moment the screen says point the direction and press start to play. So as you can guess, this is the up key, this is the down key, and the left and the right key, and this is the start key. So let's start with the first game itself and press the start key to start the game. And we need to point the direction in which the arrow was last displayed. And if we miss an arrow, the next arrow key will appear on the screen, so it will not fetch us any point. So here we go, we have to point the directions in the given time interval. And what do we have here? Score is 7 out of 10, expert skill level. Cool. And this is the startup animation that it displayed, Retro Urban Game Console, powered by GR Sakura. So after this, the second game, we change the game by pressing the left mouse key. So when I press the left mouse button, the game changes to gobble them up. So what does this game mean? Let's find out. I press the start key this time. And what's this? Food is falling from the top and we need to catch it. And the game controls for this game are left and right, simple enough. And we need to move the arrow. Each time we catch the food, our score increases by 1. And let's try missing the ball this time, so our life would decrease. So it's 2 now. And miss it one more time. And catch this one. Okay, and this final one we'll leave it, so our score should show 6 and 0 lives. Okay, cool. The startup animation again, and that was the second game. So now to select the next game, we press the left key again and the display changes to Ghost Catcher. So what does this game mean? So we press the start button, and what's this? What's circling around? Is a ghost. Well, at least it is. So the objective of the game is we need to point the direction in which we last saw the ghost, and you need to enter your input when the cross display is flashing, right, like it is right now, like so. And last direction was left, I think. And the game will not progress until you press the key, be it right or wrong. So the total number of turns the ghost will appear on screen is 10, sorry. And so after 10 passes, it will display the score. So let's make this wrong. Let's put left. Cool. And I think it was left this time. And let's see what to do now. Up, I think. And we can increase the speed of the ghost through code. And bottom, and there we go. Score was 8 out of 10, so that's pretty good for this game. And again we have the startup animation. So after this one, let's select the next game, which is I press the left key and the display changes to on the run. So what does that mean? Now let's find out by pressing the start button. And what is this? Oh, who is this? And what is happening? So what is happening here is that the enemy, which is the brighter LED you can see on the screen, is trying to catch us, which is the player, and we control the player using all the 4 directional keys. And we have coded the game in a way that if the player goes out of screen from one side, he will appear from another. Oh, we are almost caught that moment. And if it goes down, it appears from the top. Oh, we got caught and our score was 27, if you saw it. Anyways, that was the 4th game, pretty cool. And the final game, which is the 5th game, we press the left arrow key again to select it, and the name of the game is Straff. So if you have played any FPS games, you might have heard this term. Anyways, let's start the game by pressing start key. And what we get here is we get random enemies falling from the top, and we need to evade them using the left and right arrow key. So, and each time you wait them, the score gets increased by 1, as like this. I'll show you one more time. And there the score increases, and if we crash like we are going to now, the life will decrease by 1 as shown. Oh, close one. And we can also increase the speed in this case of we got that time. We can increase I was saying we can increase the speed of the enemies which are falling from the top. So this is our last life, so let's kill ourselves. And there we go, the final score is 7 and we have 0 lives. And that's all for the display, guys. So let's see the hardware section. You can see that the whole thing is powered by GR Sakura board, which is right here, and I've used these connecting wires to connect all the LED matrix to the shift registers. We are using 2 shift registers which are 74 HC5951s, a speaker, and for the keypad console we can power it by a 9-volt simple battery. And that's it. Thanks for watching.